Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I'm going to discuss with you in order to get fluency how to speak in English. So I'm going to share with you a technique and the technique name is that visualization. Believe me friend, this is a wonderful technique and in this okay, I have shared you this technique in my previous video, but today in this video I'm going to give you a short demo. And believe me, this technique will improve your fluency, how to get fluent in English, how to be fluent in English. And after using this technique, you will know how to think in English, you will know how to make some sentences in English while seeing a single picture. Okay, so this is a wonderful technique and most of the learners, most of the beginners, and they want to speak in English, they want to practice in English, so they generally use this and technique. So this is a wonderful technique. Okay friends, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay, and this video is going to very helpful, very useful for every English learner. Why? Because in this video I'm going to give you a short demo how to how to take a picture and how to make some summary in your mind, how to make a story while seeing a single picture, and how to tell a story. So in this video you are using a one technique. What happened after using one technique, that is visualization? What happened? You will get some different benefit. I mean to say, you will know how to think in English, you will know what is the shadowing, and you will know what is the imitating technique, and you will know what is the reciting, you will know what is the asking and giving answer in English. Okay, so this is a wonderful technique. It is a technique, whole techniques including that. Okay friends, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. So my today topic is that how to visualize a picture and how to make some summary in your mind, how to make a scenario, and after making a scenario, how to make some sentences in English and how to speak in English. Okay friends, so first I'm going to give you a picture. Just okay, see the picture in your mobile. So in this picture you can see three part. Okay, three parts. I mean to say, the first part you can see two children giving some water, man, and the second part you can see a man sitting with a old lady, and I think the man was the same. Okay, and two children also are there, and the children and two children are the same. Okay, and you can see the house is very old and lakdi ki chat hai, and there is a lamp. Okay, so first thing is that see the picture very carefully. Okay, and now what you need to do, you need to just after seeing a picture very carefully, you need to describe this picture in your words, your own words. Okay, okay, so I'm going to give you a short demo after seeing a picture. So you need to think your mind, what happened, what is going to happen, and what will happen. You need to think three perspective in your mind. इस पिक्चर में क्या हुआ होगा, क्या हो रहा है और क्या होगा. Okay, so okay, after seeing a picture I'm going to give you a short good demo. Okay, so this is a story. I think this is a story. Once upon a time there was a traveler. He was passing through a dense forest. He lost his way and he had no water with him. So he was looking water all around. At that time, Two children were passing by. When they saw the traveler, they gave some water they had. The traveler feel very happy and he said to the children that I want to give you some money for saving my life. But the children said, no, sir, it is our duty. So the traveler said, God bless you, son. Okay? And the day passed. It was all around darkness. So the traveler was looking some shelter around. So he saw a dim light there in the village. It was an old lady hut. So the traveler knocked the door. The old lady welcomed the traveler inside the room and gave some food and shelter. Seeing the condition of the old lady, so the traveler offered some money to the lady. But the lady did not agree to take money. She said to the traveler, I am not poor, sir. I have two precious gems. And while they were talking, two children entered the room with the bundle of stick. Okay, and when the old maid lady said to the traveler, these are my two precious gems. So the traveler, when the traveler saw the children, he said that these two children, I have met him in the forest. Really, they are precious, very precious. And the traveler said this, and there was tears in his eyes. So, friends, this is a story. Okay, by seeing a picture, I have okay, I made a story and I told you in a story, in a story wise. Okay, so you just need to make some scenario in your mind, not just like me. Whatever you think in your mind, just speak out. This practice is called visualization. Just speak out. I am not saying that I which whatever I think in English, so this is good. No, whatever you think in your mind after watching the picture, you just start to speak out. So this technique is called visualization. So after and speak out by seeing a picture, you need to make some question in your mind. This is the second part of this visualization. First thing is that, okay, see the picture and speak out what happened, what is going to happen and what will happen. Okay, so I am going to I'm just give you a story. Okay, and after that I'm going to give you some question. So the question first is that, where was where was the traveler passing through? Okay, this is the first question. Or if you need answer for of this question, you can go to the first part of this video and you can find the answer. Okay, and who were the two precious gems according to the lady? This is the second question. And the third question is that why did old lady refuse to take money? This is the third question. And the fourth question is that, who gave some water to the traveler? Okay, so in this way you can complete your whole practice. Okay, so this technique will improve your fluency. Not only improve your fluency, it will also give you some practice. Your mind start to think in English, and when your mind start to think in English, you can easily speak out. आपके दिमाग में जब होगा तभी तो आप बोल पाओगे. Okay, so this is a wonderful technique. You need to follow this technique in your speaking terms, in your fluency, in order to your fluency, to get fluency. So friends, that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. So I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.